In this video, you're going to learn how to use the large function in Excel to find the largest or highest number in a set of numbers. We'll also take a look at how we can extract the second and third largest number, so you can see that the function is not just used to find the largest number. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the template I use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. Okay, over here in Excel, and I've set up a little exercise where we've got the names of some salespeople, and then we've just got their sales numbers here. And what we're going to do is we're going to find out the highest sales number using the large function, and then we'll find out the second highest sales number and the third highest sales number. All right, so let's start off up here in cell D2. And to get this started, all we need to do is type in equals large and open the brackets. All right, and as you can see, what the function wants, it wants us to identify the array, which are the cells containing the values that we're evaluating. And then the next thing it wants to know is which position we're after. So that's what that little K is for. So we're after the highest sales number first. So it's position 1 that we're after. And when we go down to the next function and we look for the second highest sales number, the K will be a 2. So let's just do that and just see how it works. All right, so the array is just these cells here. So I've just dragged the mouse over there and then comma. And now we need to put in our value for K, which is the position. So we just need to put in a 1 and then close the brackets and press enter. Okay, and the answer that we get is 83,000. And as you can see, that is definitely the highest or largest number. So I'll just click into the formula bar there so you can see it in action. Okay, so we've evaluated those 5 numbers and we've picked out position number 1 being the largest number. Okay, moving down here, and we'll get the second highest number now. So we'll just start off the function and we'll pick our array again and comma. Okay, so this time we're looking for the second highest number, so we need to put in a 2, and we'll close it off, and we get 82,000, and 82,000 is most definitely the second highest or second largest number in that array. Okay, and we'll just finish off with the third highest number, and we'll just pick our array, and then press comma, and then put in a 3 for the third highest number, and close it off. And there we are, 70,000. Okay, so that's how you can extract the highest or largest number from an array, or the second highest number, third highest number, fourth highest number, etc., using the large function in Excel.